Hello Aries, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for June 28th to June the 30th reading, no? Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po tayo doon sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And Aries, nagla-live din po tayo doon, so pwede kayong sumali. Check nyo na rin po yung ibang readings na pinapost po natin sa Babaylan TV. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan ang live sessions, pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Kung feeling nyo po, no, hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, meron po tayong link sa comment, sa description box, no? Ang link na po na yon ay pwede kayong magtanong, no, sa akin, whether it is offline. So, nandun po lahat ng prices, how it works, no, the QR codes, the modes of payment, and I have this promotional code or promotion rather of 4 questions plus 1. Ayan. If you also want to book our private reading, nandun din po yan. No? So magsimula na tayo. As you can see, iba yung ating setup ngayon. No? Aries. Wow, crossroads. It felt like naguguluhan tayo. No? Parang medyo hindi natin alam kung saan tayo patungo. Pwedeng nandito tayo sa stage na will I stay? Will I move forward? I feel like this is for me, this is a fork in a road as well. You kind of sabihin natin, things are piling up right now, no? Hindi lang ang buhay, pag-ibig natin ang medyo in jeopardy, no? Or having some challenges. It might be a combination of finances and then love, or family life and then love, or career, work, no? Hindi natin alam kung ano yung uunahin natin. With the King of Pentacles and the Queen of Wands. Well, I'm seeing here na open naman tayo, no, when it comes to our wants and needs, when it comes to our connection. You're very vocal when it comes to, I don't want to say demand, but, nasasabi natin kung tayo ay nasasaktan. Or with the crossroads in here, pwede rin namang yung iba nakapagsabi na, yung iba, kailangan ko bang sabihin? Naguguluhan kung sasabihin ko ba? No? Kasi parang feeling ko, what my person is giving is not what I wanted. There is a disconnect when it comes to communication, no? Ang pakiwari ko nga dito, Aries, is meron tayong sabihin natin na mga gustong gawin, pinapahayag natin, pero iba yung gagawin ni person, no? Parang feeling mo hindi ka pinapakinggan. Although may effort, pero bakit parang hindi niya naiintindihan kung ano yung sinasabi mo? Or ano ang gusto mo? The King of Wands and the Five of Swords. So, nakikita ko dito more on madami tayo ngayong debate, no? Madami tayong mga paksyon. Side niya, side mo, 'no? Um, Meron kang pinaglalaban, meron siyang pinaglalaban. It felt like there are clashes, 'no? Um, for a few numbers of you, what I am also seeing in here is there might be some jealousy na baka nagseselos itong si person dahil meron siya nakikitang lagi kang kausap and then you're explaining that this is somewhat, no, a friend and nothing really nothing really going on. But it kind of make me feel like with the Five of Swords in here, there is a force. You might be in between also of choosing a friendship and a relationship. This friendship might be long before this boyfriend comes in, no? So, ang hirap ng situation because you might be you might be caught up in between um, a lasting commitment with a friendship or a current that might go for last. So, ang hirap nga. But if what you wanted to do in here is kung pwede naman, no? Kasi kung pwede naman pagsabayan, hindi ng relasyon ha, romantically, kasi isa lang naman yung may relationship, di ba? Isa lang yung in romantic relationship. This might be platonic because of the friendship that has been going on. Um, with the Five of Swords, you would love to have a win-win situation. Chances are, ang pinaka bottom line here is hindi kayo nakakaintindihan. With the breakup forever. Wow. So it felt like meron talagang um, tinatawag nating conviction itong si person. Gagawin mo to, iiwan mo yan, or hindi pwede. Well, I can understand that, 'di ba? Kasi oo nga naman, if we're going to check on his perspective, meron nga naman siyang point. Pero yung point mo naman kasi is wala naman din nangyayari, which is also valid. Kasi kayo in romantic, no? Oh, wow. With the Knight of Swords and the Wheel of Fortune, no, ang nakikita ko naman dito, itong situation ng sabihin natin ng diskusyon, no? I feel like kailangan lang ipaliwanag, no, mabuti kung ano nga ba, no? Um, or it may take time for your person to, I think na napaliwanag mo naman na kung ano nga itong nangyayari, no? Between a friendship and I think kasi close na tayo dun sa um, kabilang person. I feel like this is a very personal reading to a few Arises, no? Sandali lang naman itong sinasabi nating sigalot, no? Or pwede nating sabihin, sandali lang naman itong um, tinatawag nating pagsiselos. Kasi I'm seeing here with the Wheel of Fortune, no, parang, okay, we will going to surpass this challenge and I am seeing that someday, sooner, I can fully accept, no, what is going on with the Ten of Pentacles in here and the Ten of Cups. I think that you can balance both in the near future. But it kind of make me feel like, kasi kung meron man, no, na magkakaroon ng pagkakaintindihan dito, it's more of you and this friend. You can probably ask this friend na siguro I need to yung sa mabuting paraan, no? Na hindi mo na huwag muna tayo masyadong magkita kasi nagsiselos, alam mo naman, seloso, no? I can see that this person would understand because I'm seeing that your person is giving an ultimatum. no? Sa sobrang selos niya. But I feel like maiintindihan niya in the future, no? Maybe not that instant, pero in the future, kung ano yung platonic na relationship na meron kayo. Kasi when you say platonic, um, higher chances it won't happen. You just love each other in a different way, in a more of, there may be some romance, but not to a point of lust, but more of, there is, of course, love. It's very vague. We might see some care because of the realness of the friendship, diba? Actually, maski ako as a reader, no, I'm trying to gauge kung sino ba ang dapat bigyan ng pansin. I think that mas bibigyan natin ng pansin, no, ang ultimatum, hindi dahil natatakot tayo, no, or pwede rin namang natatakot, kasi mas lesser ang magiging, um, kumbaga, challenges kapag pinagbigyan natin itong si person natin, no? Kesa kay friend. Kasi si person, nagbigay na ng ultimatum, no? Of course, ayaw mo din mawala si person, hindi dahil kinakampihan mo siya, kasi mas maiintindihan ni friend, no, itong sinasabi nating reason mo. Kasi I feel like si person is sobrang closed off na, so hindi siya makakapagbigay ng, kumbaga, sarado yung isip niya sa bagay na kung ano lang yung kaya niyang tanggapin. Um, sa kabilang banda, ito namang si ating friend is mas maiintindihan niya kung ano yung nangyayari, lalo na mas matibay na ang inyong foundation. And nakikita ko nga, no, surpassing the challenges, katulad ng sinasabi ko, sobra-sobrang um, sandali lang naman itong pace ng pagsiselos ni person. No? So, tingnan natin kung ano ang pwedeng sabihin dito ni person or ni friend. I've been fighting a battle I can't win. So, ito siguro yung nagiging reason, no, ni person na um, lagi mo siyang kasama, no? Lagi na lang kayo nag-uusap, paano naman ako? So parang ang feeling kasi ni person is nakikipag-compete siya ng oras because of the other, because of the friend. Um, that is also understandable if we can put it in a way, no, na kung bakit nagkakaganyan si person. So, um, let's check some other cards, no? Kung ano ba. This card is actually a message from the spirits, uh, from your guardian angel, or from a higher self, whatever you want to call this, no? When there are questions you need assistance with, go inwards. Sit with yourself. Meditate on the question. Ask for our help also. Then trust your intuition, as most often the answer and guidance will be delivered to you intuitively. We are with you always. So that's the reason why I'm also saying na masusurpass mo rin ito. No? I think that the spirit guides here are telling you, no, kung meron kang mga sagot na gustong malaman, I think it's much better for you to sit on it, no, kesa magbuksan natin ang bibig natin right away. Siguro magkulong muna tayo sa kwarto for as much as our mind is clear. Kausapin din natin sila for guidance, kasi nandyan naman sila palagi at hindi ka nila papabayaan. There is a promise in here na lagi silang nakamasid at lagi ka nilang gina-guide, 'no? Ang sagot na kailangan mo is, let's say, ibinibigay sa'yo or idina-download, 'no, nila sa iyo in through energetic form. So someday sooner, things will be fixed. I am praying for the most, no, healing, especially kay person dahil masyado siyang nasasaktan sa mga bagay na kine-create niya sa kanyang isip. So, I think that understanding is really needed for him. Kasi meron na kayong understanding ni friend and I feel like mas maiintindihan niya. All you just need to do is to explain it a little better, no, to your friend. So this is your reading, Aries. Uh, Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. And if you have questions, no, pwede po kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long the question is answerable by yes or no. Or if you feel like hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, sa description box po, no, meron po dong link. All you have to do is to click the link or copy the link. You're gonna be routed to my page. Type in your questions, click submit, and yun po, no? So, check the information. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po yan, no, sa ating description box. I hope that you can subscribe to the other channel as well, Babaylan TV. Again, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At check na rin po yung ibang readings doon. So Aries, love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.